Why are there not more people talking about backyard pond care? It's fun, easy, and oh so rewarding. Let's get started. First things first, scoop out any leaves or debris floating on the surface. This keeps your pond looking clean and prevents clogging. Next, check your pond's water quality. Use a simple test kit to monitor pH levels. You want to aim for a neutral pH around 7. Now, let's talk about filters. Clean them regularly to keep the water clear and your fish happy. Just rinse them out with pond water. Easy peasy. Got algae? No worries. Add some friendly pond plants like water lilies. They help balance the ecosystem and look super pretty too. Don't forget to top off the water level. Especially during hot months, your pond can lose water quickly. Just add fresh water as needed. And finally, give your pond a little love by adding beneficial bacteria. These good guys break down waste and keep things balanced. There you have it. With these simple tips, you'll have a sparkling, healthy pond that's the envy of the neighborhood. Now that you've mastered the basics, let's dive into how to keep your pond thriving throughout the seasons. Spring is a time of renewal. Start by removing any dead leaves and debris that accumulated over winter. This fresh start will help your pond's ecosystem bounce back quickly. Check your pond's equipment, pumps, filters, and any aerators to ensure they're in good working order after the cold months. Summer brings warmth and growth. To prevent algae blooms, make sure to shade your pond with floating plants like water lilies. They not only look beautiful but also help keep the water cool. Regularly top off the water level to compensate for evaporation. And don't forget to keep an eye on your fish. They may need extra oxygen during hot weather. As autumn approaches, it's time to prepare for the colder months. Trim back aquatic plants and remove any dead matter to prevent it from decomposing in the water. Consider installing a net over your pond to catch falling leaves. This will save you time and effort in cleaning later. Winter can be tough on ponds, especially in colder climates. If your pond freezes over, make sure to keep a small area ice-free to allow for gas exchange. A pond heater or de-icer can help with this. Reduce feeding your fish as their metabolism slows down in colder temperatures. By following these seasonal tips, you'll ensure that your pond remains a healthy, vibrant part of your backyard all year long.